Hi, it's Martin from the ARKET Café. Today I'm making an iced matcha with mascarpone, pistachio and apple topping. Perfect for all festive occasions. 1. We start off with the mascarpone cream. Whisk mascarpone, cream cheese with powdered sugar and lemon zest. Whisk properly. The consistency should be very fluffy. 2. Gently fold in some chopped pistachio nuts. 3. Since the final steps needs to be super quick, we'll prepare the serving now. Use a wide bottom glass or ice cream cup if you have one. Add about 50 grams of the mascarpone cream, finish off with some fresh apple sticks and more chopped pistachios. Now we'll move on to the iced matcha. First, dissolve the matcha powder in honey and hot water. Then, grab your shaker and add 6 ice cubes, milk and cream, and the matcha base. And now, shake, fast and properly for around 30 seconds to make sure it gets cold and that the ice doesn't melt too much. Pour around the mascarpone cream and enjoy immediately. Find the full recipe at arket.com.